man, come on.
Hey, don't worry about it. It's just juice. Hi, we're Cleana, and we're dedicated to improving restroom cleanliness. In a recent survey that we ran with over 600 individuals, 86% of them told us that having to use a dirty toilet seat was their top concern when using a public restroom.
I know it's mine.
Yeah, it's gross. But using a dirty toilet seat is more than just a bad experience. It's an important problem for businesses as well. Seeing a dirty toilet seat can lower customers' online ratings by up to 31% and lower their likelihood of returning by up to 38%, potentially costing them thousands of dollars in lost revenues. And that's why we created the Clean Seat. The Clean Seat is a retrofittable toilet seat that serves as a preventative measure, stopping the common messes that we've come to expect before they even happen. Surveys show that around 75% of men routinely do not lift the toilet seat before urinating, making this likely the primary cause of toilet-related messes in male and gender-neutral restrooms. Clean Seat prevents these messes through the use of its special mechanism, which keeps it in an up position when not in use. If needed, the seat can simply be pulled down and it'll stay in the lowered position, allowing you to sit. When you're finished and you stand up and walk away, the seat will pause and then slowly lift back to the up position. Our patent-pending mechanism conforms to industry standards and is designed to be cost-effective and durable, making it suitable for nearly any commercial restroom. And it's already generated interest. We currently have testing agreements with institutions such as Boston City Hall, 7-Eleven, and the University of Utah. With your help, we can make dirty toilet seats a relic of the past.